Hi YouTube. So I came to you guys today kind of giving you guys like a heads up about curl formers. So I was so excited to buy curl formers and it was literally an epic fail for me. I was like ripping hair out. I was struggling. It didn't come out good at all. I was looking at videos and videos and videos. So I just wanted to give you guys a head up for anybody who's been like struggling with trying to do this curl former look, because I was going crazy. So I realized, looking at the curl former, I thought, and looking at the videos, I thought that the hook was going through just this base right here, like that. I thought the hook was to go through this, and you pull your hair and then you slide that up. No. I watched 3 more videos today because I was determined to do this, because I'm like, I'm a hairstylist. Why can't I get this? And in one of the videos, the lady didn't say it, but she said to squeeze. Well, the lady didn't like say it verbally, but she said to do, like, she just showed it to do that, and this goes through that. And it was just like an aha moment for me, because I would have never known. So guys, if you're trying to do curl formers, please be aware that it's not going through this. It's not going through there. Save yourself the heartache. You squeeze this thing, that, and you're putting your hook literally through that little hole. That is what we're doing. So I hope I can help anybody with that, but that is going to save your life with that. So I'm just going to go through quickly. I'm going to set my hair. I have my hooded dryer on the left, and I'm ready to style this, because literally these wash and goes are getting old to me and I'm so tired of this. So I always wanted to do the curl forming set, and now I'm going to do it the right way. So to achieve this look, I'm using water and Texture ID foam and Texture ID leave-in conditioner. So you want to start by taking a small section and then clipping the other half away. I first sprayed water, then I did a little leave-in, and now I'm going for my mousse. You want to make sure that mousse is evenly distributed throughout all the hair strands. So that's why you see me taking my time and making sure the product is all the way through. Now for the fun part. This is raw and uncut. I want you guys to see how much of a struggle it was my first time doing this. Like, I want you guys to understand, like, it's not easy, even for hairstylists. Like, this was a little tough. So take your time. So I noticed like after you get it on, you have to like twist it in the direction so that it follows the curl. And I don't know if you guys notice how excited I am to get that first one on, but I am. So after that first one, it should be pretty easy after that, but let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so this is how it looks with all of them in my head. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna sleep tonight. I do have a big bonnet, but I do also have a satin pillowcase, so I think I'm just gonna let it go on the satin pillowcase and just sleep so that the air can hit all sections of my head and we can get dry. So I'll come back to you guys, or I'll take pictures and show you how the end results are. So I just woke up and I did my makeup, so let's begin to take these out. I am so happy with the results. Now I'm gonna pull it apart and style. I'm sorry I don't have a picture of it, but this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.